Hello, everyone. Today is August 17th, 2021, and I'm here with a brand new smart contract that actually launched today. It's called TrendFinity, and it's a simple and effective way to triple your TRX. They are literally very new. This is information that if you've been following us for a while, that you know that all Tron blockchain smart contracts give us the sustainable investment platform, and we hope that it's designed for long term. So let's just go over the information that they have in their contract. It's that it's 100% verified, no backdoor or exit codes. They have supportive development teams and admins, and an active community on Telegram. The minimum to invest in Tronfinity is 100 TRX, and it's paying 7% daily until you reach 300%. So that could mean in 42 days, you will reach 300%. You can withdraw anytime. Not sure if they are saying that you don't have to wait the 24 hours, but let's see, we'll check that out as we go along. They have 3 levels of referral commissions, and I believe, yes, the referral commissions are 5% for each level. So that is like really amazing for your followers or people who you refer. So that's a great thing. So same amount on 3 levels. It'll be interesting to see how their algorithm works around that. So let's just go to their contract on TronScan and take a look at that. So right now they have 387,364.89 TRX invested. That translates to 32,261 US dollars. They have 77 transactions so far. And right now they have a little over 18,000 that's been withdrawn. So if they don't have a 24-hour limit, that would be very, very interesting. And let's just look at their audit report to see if we recognize any names that we've seen before. So it's audited on August 11th, 2021. So one thing we like to see is that there's no bugs or vulnerabilities where there's a backdoor where someone could just stop the contract and leave with the money. So that's good. No other warnings. And we've seen this a lot. No exit codes and no scam scripts were found. And also, it has the contract commissions. So the developer is to receive 8%. The marketing fee is 2%. And it's also giving you the contract address so that you can check it at any time. And what I suggest is that every day you're going to deposit or withdraw, just check the contract to see where it is, see if there's a bunch of deposits or a bunch of withdrawals. Just always I make it a rule to just to try to check on it. You know, it might not be necessary every day, but it's still a good practice. Okay, so we're going to give it a try. We're going to just do the minimum. And then what we'll do in a couple of days is probably do a bit higher. Well, let's do this. Let's do 1,000 TRX. Okay, we're going to do 1,000 TRX. And it's already earning. So what we'll do is share the referral link on the description. I know some followers of our page have maybe already invested in this. So if you have, go ahead and send me your link so that I can post you on the next video. And that'll be it for this one. It looks pretty promising. Let's hope that they can keep up with the daily withdrawals or the withdraw anytime portion. I will go to the Telegram group and find out exactly what that means and see if that's what's smart of them to do or not. So until next time, smart investing, safe investing. See you tomorrow.